You could have 8 ounces per gallon of water or 2 ounces per quart bottle. As far as the concentrated gallon goes, so on the side, you have your dilution rates. This is set at a medium soil. So the reason why it's set at a medium soil is because if you use a high concentrated soiling ratio for this, it's not gonna harm it, but it would just be a waste. It'll be too much. If you use a lightly soiled concentration of this on the stove that we worked on, it wouldn't be strong enough. So by having it at a medium, it's strong enough for something that's lightly soiled, but not bad. Strong enough to take care of something strong, but it's not at the level that it should be. So if you were just focused 100% on cleaning your stove, then what you would do is you would buy the concentrate and use it at the heavily soiled ratio rate that you have back here. So right now we're at 12 ounces per gallon of water or 3 ounces per quart bottle. So literally, if you bought this to get more of these, you could literally have this exact same dilution in this size and in this concentration. You could have 8 ounces per gallon of water or 2 ounces per quart bottle. So what that equal to? It'll equal to 16 gallons or 64 quarts, I believe. So out of this, you can use 16 gallons, and out of this, you can use 64 of these. So this is the best combination to go with. You get both of them, and then you get maximum for all these other different surfaces. But keeping in mind, it's not gonna remove an etch. It's not gonna remove a stain. It's not gonna remove something that had some sort of chemical reaction that removed a surface layer, blemishes. So there's a variety. So what this does is this is just an amazing cleaner for a lot of surfaces. Now, I remind you, it's specifically created for natural stone, but it can clean other surfaces. So with that said, again, thank you. I hope you find this product useful, and it's a creation from our own experience. We literally use the concentrated versions of these products on a day-to-day basis, and we've taken all of our experience over the last 15 years and put them into products that'll not only make these products safe for you to use, but you can hand it off to cleaning companies that come into your home and clean. You can just specifically have them use this and never have to worry about damaging your windows, damaging your stainless steel or your wood floors. And it'll do an amazing job. It's great for commercial use, it's great for indoor, outdoor, again, depending on the level of concentration that you want. Now, if this doesn't clean whatever it is that you're trying to clean, understanding that it's not going to remove etches and stains and all those other things, it's going to remove topical soil, in which case what you would want our deep clean. So the deep clean of the sealer, we're working on that now, that'll come soon, but basically, this is a very, very good versatile product. So with that said, thank you for watching this video as long as you have, and we appreciate your support. Leave a review after you use it. It means the world to us. Thank you.